All right, so according to the Streetz, the DA attorney that's gone against straight draft Justin Johnson and Cornelius Smith has a shady past. Let's read. Remove District Attorney Amyweirich from public office. 7 reasons to remove. Under Weirich's watch as a district attorney, numerous civil rights violations and violations of Tennessee laws have cost city taxpayers millions of dollars and unwarranted jail time. Weirich had failed to prosecute any officer involved shootings. So she failed to prosecute any officer involved shootings, meaning if any officer is involved in a shooting, she will not prosecute them. And other excessive use of force cases. Weirich has instructed law enforcement to overcharge African Americans to ensure a felony conviction and disenfranchise an entire race in Shelby County. Sounds like Amyweirich is racist, according to whoever wrote this change post, change.com. Weirich has a cutthroat reputation of a no-deals policy and refuses to reopen cases where evidence is present to exonerate people of crimes which they may not have committed. Weirich has a pattern of using her office, city, and county resources to intimidate community members, especially those members protesting official misconduct. She has also abused her discretion by charging people under the state law of manufacturing and intent to sell marijuana when it was only a simple possession. Her Mephisto-style government has placed the entire city at risk. The murder rate has tripled since she took office. Weirich is concerned with personal vendettas rather than uplifting the law. Now here is 7 reasons. I'm just going to go through a few. Number 1, Vern Bracewell. In a 2005 murder trial, Weirich flagrantly hid evidence. So she hid evidence, like the Youngdolph case. No video footage. They showing doctored photos. Attorney Taylor Eskridge testified that she had seen a post-it that said "Don't show defense" in regards to his discovery evidence. She later instructed her office not to settle minor cases, with Eskridge making her legal negotiating environment hostile, causing her to lose clients. Eskridge, an African-American female attorney, has a successful law practice before these intimidation tactics forced her to leave the city. Very interesting. Let's see. Let's go down to another one. Okay, Justin Thompson, a 15-year-old unarmed teenager, was murdered in 2013 by an off-duty Memphis Police Department officer, Terrence Shaw. Initially, when Thompson was killed, Shaw stated he was being robbed. Text messages proved otherwise. So there they go. There go Amy again, tampering with evidence. Shaw had an inappropriate relationship with the teen. So Terrence Shaw was having an inappropriate relationship with Justin Thompson. For 30 days prior to his death. Weirich, once again, refused to prosecute Shaw and turned the matter over to the TBI, Tennessee Bureau Investigation. We're gonna have to look up to find out who's working inside there, because that's her go-to. Which made no further inquiries into his death. She uses the TBI to cover up all crimes and governmental corruption. Judge Joe Brown spoke about her. Amy Weirich is a liar. She's crooked. She's a crooked DA attorney, according to the Streetz, allegedly. And they want her to be removed. She's done so much shady business. Her election is coming up, allegedly. And they are using old polls. Refuse to use new polls. Even though it has been proven that you can cheat with old polls. Because Judge Joe Brown lost against her and he called it out that she was cheating. And they refuse to use new polls. And her election is coming up. I guarantee you Amy's going to win. Darius Stewart, the 19-year-old unarmed teen, was murdered by Memphis Police Department officer Corner Scrolling. Weirich once again refused to have Scrolling arrested despite the fact that death was captured on video. She requested the same investigators who handled both Justin Thompson and Pamela Moses cases with the TBI to cover up this murder under the color of the law. Special Agent Ryan Fletcher of the TBI has since left the state. You guys, I'm not going to read everything. Y'all can find this on change.org. Just type in Amyweirich. But we is going to read over Pamela Moses one. Weirich referred false stalking allegations to the TBI in reference to Moses campaigning against her friend, also a former prosecutor who worked closely with Weirich prior to becoming a general sessions judge. We're going to have to find out who is this general sessions judge and are they connected to the Youngdolph case. The judge made no M.P.D. or SCSO police report in regards to the alleged Facebook posts. The essence of the alleged stalking referenced a public page entitled Bringing Civil Rights to Charge Against Her. Again, Amyweirich. We on to you. And now she's handling the Youngdolph case with doctored photos and video footage that they refused to let the public see. Why are you refusing? If you have nothing to hide, why are you refusing to let the public see who was on there? Because according to the doctored photos, the facial expressions, the body language, the body size, the body type, the complexion does not fit Justin Johnson, aka Straight Drop, or Cornelius Smith. Allegedly.